Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download Google Chrome on Mac. So go ahead to your browser, right? You can download it from your App Store. Remind you again that you need macOS 14.0 or above in order to access Google Chrome, right? If you don't, all you got to do is just head over to the official website of Google, right? And what you're going to do next, let me change the language here so you can understand. It made it based on my location, right? So you can hit download Chrome. You can see that I already downloaded, right? And now what you're gonna do is just double click here, right? And a new window will show up, and just take Google Chrome to the application folder, right? And then once you take it to the application folder, you're gonna just prepare to copy, right, the details. And once you copy the details, you're going to be able to head over to Finder here. Okay, inside Finder you're going to find the applications list where you can just open Google Chrome as an application, as an official application. So basically that's it. I don't need to download Google Chrome because I already have a better browser. But in your case, you could just go ahead to the Finder, as I said, right? Press applications, and just like any other app, you can just double click to open it, and a new window will show up, and basically you can set up your details. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you. Hi,